Hello friends, my name is Anil and you are watching Anil Lakra Classes. In this lesson we are going to learn more than 50 questions, more than 50 common questions and their answer. And I believe that this lesson will be very beneficial for you. So I would like to request, please watch the lesson till the end. And one more thing I have to say, that if you like the lesson, then please don't forget to subscribe the channel. So friends, without any delay, let's start the lesson. Let's get started. Our first question is, what is your name? Very common question. Whenever you are asked this question, you have to just tell your name. Like, my name is Anil Lakra. Next question is, what is your surname? What is your surname? As I told that my name is Anil Lakra, Lakra will be my surname. Next question is, how are you? How are you? Very common question. As an answer, you can say, I am fine, I am good, I am wonderful, I am doing well. How about you? Next question is, where do you live? Where do you live? Wherever you live currently, you have to tell that place name. Suppose currently you live in Kolkata, then you have to say, I live in Kolkata. Next question is, where are you from? Where are you from? Here you have to tell about your native place name. Suppose you are from Jharkhand, then you have to say, I am from Jharkhand. Next question is, could I have your phone number? Could I have your phone number? As an answer, you have to say, sure, please write down. Or you can say, of course, you can have my number, please write down. Next question is, how was your day? How was your day? You can say, it's been great. Or only you can say, great. How about you? Next question is, how old are you? How old are you? Here you have to tell your age. Suppose your age is 20, then you have to say, I am 20 years old. Next question is, when do you get up? When do you get up? As an answer, you can say, I get up early in the morning. Next question, when do you go to bed? When do you go to bed? I go to bed at 10 p.m. Next question is, what do you do? What do you do? Whatever you do, you have to reply as an answer. Suppose you are working, you are studying, then you have to say, I am working, I am studying, I run a business, I am between jobs. These are some examples which can be used as an answer. Next question is, what is your job? What is your job? Suppose you are a doctor, then you have to say, I am a doctor. If you are an engineer, then you have to say, I am an engineer. Next question is, how many brothers and sisters do you have? How many brothers and sisters do you have? Here you have to tell the numbers of your brothers and sisters. Like, I have 2 brothers and 2 sisters. I have 1 brother and 2 sisters. Next question is, do you know me? Do you know me? If yes, then you have to say, yes, I know you. Or if you don't know, then you have to say, I don't know you. Next question, Do you know my father? Do you know my father? Yes, I know him. Or no, I don't know him. Next question is, what does your father do? What does your father do? Very common question. Whatever your father does, you have to say. Suppose your father is a farmer, then you have to say, my father is a farmer. My father is a doctor. My father is an engineer. Next question is, where are you? Where are you at the present time? I am in school. I am at home. You can reply just like it. Next question is, what are you doing? What are you doing? I am teaching. I am eating. I am sleeping. I am watching TV. These are some examples. Next question is, would you like some tea? Would you like some tea? If yes, then you have to say, yes, I would like some tea. Next question is, when can I meet you? When can I meet you? You can say whenever you like, or you can say next day, next week, next month. Next question is, are you going to the party? Are you going to the party? Yes, I am going to the party. Next question is, when were you born? When were you born? Here you have to tell about your birth year. Like, I was born in 1990. Next question is, do you have a car? Do you have a car? Yes, I have a car. Or you can say, I don't have a car. Next question is, what color is your new car? What color is your new car? That's red in color. Or you can say, that's red. Next question is, are you learning English? Yes, I am learning English. Or you can say, no, I am not learning English. Next question is, how about your work? How about your work? It's going well. Next question, what time did you arrive? What time did you arrive? I arrived at 10 a.m. Next question is, when did he arrive? When did he arrive? He arrived yesterday. Next question, what's that? What's that? That is a bag. That is an apple. That is a car. Next question is, are you ill? Are you ill? If yes, then you have to say, yes, I am having fever. Or if not, then you have to say, I am not. Next question is, where are you going? Where are you going? I am going to school, I am going to office, I am going to market. These are some examples which can be used to reply. Next question is, what do you like? What do you like? As an answer, you can say, I like drawing, I like painting, I like cooking. Next question is, when did you come? When did you come? I came 30 minutes before. Next question is, what do you want? When we go to buy something, then the shopkeeper asks, what do you want? As an answer, you have to say whatever you want. Like, I want a notebook, I want a t-shirt. Next question, do you need any help? Do you need any help? If yes, then you have to say, yes, I need help. Next question is, what do you need? What do you need? I need a slippers for me. I need a blazer for me. If you are at home, then you have to say, I need a chair to sit on. I need a glass of water. Next question is, what would you like to have? What would you like to have? I would like to have rice. Next question is, are you married? Are you married? If yes, then you have to say, yes, I am married. Otherwise, you can say, I am not. Next question is, who are you? Who are you? Here you have to tell your name. Like, my name is Anil. My name is Ram. My name is Mohan. My name is Seema. Next question is, what brings you here? What brings you here? You have to tell the reason. As an answer, you can say, I am here to meet my friend. I am here to meet my father. I am here to buy something. Next question is, how are you feeling now? How are you feeling now? I am feeling better now. I am feeling better now. Next question is, who is that fellow? Who is that fellow? He is my father. He is my uncle. He is my brother. We can say. Next question is, do you want to go? Do you want to go? If yes, then you have to say, yes, I have to go. Next question is, when will you go? When will you go? I will go after 2 hours. I will go tomorrow. I will go next week. Next question is, where were you yesterday? Where were you yesterday? I were with my friends at his home. I were with my friend at his home. Next question is, do you like it? Do you like it? Yes, I like it. Or you can say, no, I don't like it. Next question is, how do you go to work? How do you go to work? I go to work by bicycle. I go to work by car. I go to work by bike. Or you can say, I go to work on foot. Next question is, does he know about it? Does he know about it? As an answer, you can say, yes, he knows everything. Or you can say, yes, I told him everything. Or you can say, I have no idea. Next question, whose car is this? Whose car is this? As an answer, you have to say, this is my car. This car is mine. This is Ram's car. Or you can say, this car is belong to me. Next question is this your book? Is this your book? Yes, this is my book. Next question is, what is the time now? What is the time now? It is 7 o'clock. It is 7:30. It is 12 o'clock. We can say as an answer. Next question is, can I open the window? Can I open the window? Yes. Or you can say, sure, certainly. You can open the window because it is very hot inside. Next question is, what is your hobby? What is your hobby? I like cooking. I like playing football. I like painting. Next question is, how does she look like? How does she look like? She looks very beautiful. Next question, whom to meet? Whom to meet? I have to meet bank manager. I have to meet my friend. I have to meet my sister. I have to meet my brother. Next question is, Can you speak English? Can you speak English? As an answer, if you know how to speak English, then you can reply yes. Otherwise, you can say no, I can't speak English. I am just learning this language. I can't speak English. I am just learning this language. Next question is, how long it will take you to come? How long it will take you to come? As an answer, you can say it will take 30 minutes, or you can say I will be there in 30 minutes. Next question, why are you going there? Why are you going there? I am going there because I have to meet my friends. Next question, what are you doing there? What are you doing there? I am having fun. I am watching TV. I am watching a football match. I am watching a wrestling match. These are some examples which can be used as an answer. So friends, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. If you enjoyed the lesson, then please don't forget to subscribe the channel. And see you in next video. Till then, take care. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.